Over time, photos and videos can fill up your iPhone, slowing it down or blocking new downloads. Simply deleting them moves them to the recently deleted album. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete photos from your iPhone. Method 1. Permanently delete photos from iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS makes deleting photos easy. It lets you manage, back up, and transfer iOS data securely with minimal effort. Step-by-step guide to permanently delete photos on iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Download Assistant for iOS on your computer, Mac, or Windows PC. Launch it and connect your iPhone to this computer using a USB data cable. Step 2. Click on Photos from the left column. This software will scan your device to find all the photos on your device. Step 3. Preview and select any photo or select all. Click on the Delete button on the upper navigation bar. Then all your selected photos will be deleted. Method 2. Permanently delete photos from iPhone manually. Unlock your iPhone or iPad and open the Photos app. To delete photos selectively, go to Camera Roll, select, choose Images, tap the trash icon, delete XX items. Delete the whole album, go to Albums, see All, edit, find out the album you want to delete, tap on the red circle button located at the top left corner of the album. After that, the selected pictures will be moved to the recently deleted album. So you need to go to Albums, Recently Deleted, select, choose the pictures you want to permanently remove, delete. Method 3. Permanently delete photos on iPhone from iCloud. Open a browser, go to iCloud.com, and sign in. Click Photos, select Images, and tap the trash icon to delete them. Method 4. Permanently delete photos from iPhone in iTunes Backup. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone via USB. Go to Photos, check Sync Photos, select All Folders, and click Apply to delete stored photos. Bonus: permanently delete photos from iPhone with Eraser for iOS. Want to erase everything on your iPhone or iPad in one click? Mobikin Eraser for iOS securely wipes all files, including photos, with no recovery chance. Back up important data before erasing. Download it below. Here's how to erase photos from iPhone or iPad using Mobikin Eraser for iOS. Launch the iOS Eraser software on your computer and use a USB cable to connect your iPhone or iPad to the PC. Follow the prompts on the screen to make your device recognized. When the program detects your iDevice successfully, you will see the following interface. Click on the Erase button on the primary interface. Go on to tap on Medium to set security level and then confirm your option by clicking OK. Type in Delete on the Erase All Data interface and click on Erase to start erasing pictures and other files from your iPhone or iPad.